subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Motorola is reportedly working on its upcoming phone called Moto G10, and before the launch, the smartphone renders and key specifications has surfaced online. According to leaks, the Moto G10 will support a 6.5-inch HD Plus display with 60Hz refresh rate, and it has a water drop notch at the top center that will house an 8-megapixel selfie camera. The rear panel of the phone appears to be a textured finish that carries an quad camera setup in a rectangular module at the top left corner, including an LED flash. The quad rear cameras will include one 48-megapixel main camera along with the 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens plus 2-megapixel macro and 2-megapixel depth sensor. Under the hood, the phone is expected to come powered by Snapdragon 460 chipset paired with 4GB of RAM and 64 or 128GB of internal storage. The device will pack with 5000 mAh battery, and additionally, the smartphone also spotted to feature a dedicated Google Assistant button. Now talking about the pricing. The Moto G10 is expected to price around 150 euros, and it is suggested to come in iridescent pearl and aurora grey color options. So as of now, that's all we know about the Moto G10 smartphone, and we'll come to know more detail about the phone in the coming days. Till then, stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.